A new and wonderful initiative in the city of Chennai. We are currently at Revive Cafe. Has been started with collaboration between Hotbreads, one of the top names when it comes to food items, and IMH, that is Institute of Mental Health, where they have started this cafe providing jobs to patients from IMH. In fact, here one person is here who's checking my temperature. Thank you. And he's also a patient from IMH as well. This is a setup you could see. This cafe specifically been run and very clearly giving employment to nearly 7 people from IMH patients itself. And they claim, the management claims that it's been a pleasure working with them as they are very understanding and they are being cooperative in a lot of methods. Very interestingly, these patients are also given a chance to either work part-time or full-time. It is like they can work for 3 hours or 7 hours, and of course they are making an earning, and that has given them a new boost in life. That is a very important aspect because it is actually not just about treatment, it is also about rehabilitation, which is very much important when it comes to treating mental illness, and that's the initiative that's been done over here. In fact, I have the director of IMH with us. Thank you so much for speaking to us, ma'am. So the patients working and earning, how has it caused a change in their life?
It is, they have become like us. They should be like us from first. Just because they have a mental illness does not mean they should not be having a personal space of their own. They should not be having a social space of their own. They should not be having thoughts like that. So, this initiative has brought about a change wherein they are thinking in the way that I think as to how I am going to spend the money on the first of every month and where am I going to go at the end of the day. What am I going to buy with these things? That they are having a space of their own.
This is the actual part here. We are at Keelpok, and you could see the initiative. A wonderful, wonderful space with patients from IMH working over here. It's very calm, very peaceful, and they have been doing a really great job. And it's not easy to miss it because there's a huge heart with a plus sign on the outside. And this is Revive Cafe, giving another chance for rehabilitation for patients from IMH, a wonderful initiative that has been started in Chennai. With video journalist Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.